Who am I? Goutam. Who am I? A teacher. Who am I? It is written on the board, and I will tell you who am I there. At the same time, there is another question. Who are NPAVAPCI? I will answer you who am I and who are all these letters. One by one, I will tell you a story of a family, and there are 8 members of the family. 8 members. I think you have come to know it is all about English grammar, as there are 8 parts of speech. So first of all, I will ask you some questions. It is a game. After this, I will tell you the story. Be ready. So first question is, who am I? I am the head of the family. I call you by your name. Who am I? Yes, I think you have come to know he is the father. Father, that is the head of the family, and he is none but the noun. Noun, the naming word. Everything in this world has a name. So he is father and he is noun. After this, come to who am I? I call him father. I also take his place in his absence. Who am I? I am son. My father, noun, and I am son. When noun is absent, then we use their pronoun. So pronoun is son, and who am I? Here the answer is pronoun, that is the son of the family. Next come to who am I? I am the elder of the 2 sisters. I praise my father and brother. Who am I? Elder of the 2 sisters. 2 sisters there are in the family, and I am elder sister, and I always praise, I always qualify, I always attribute to my father and brother. I am sure she is adjective. This sister, that is adjective, is the daughter of the family, and she praises father and brother. Noun and pronoun. You know, noun and pronoun are qualified, are attributed by adjective. Next come to who am I? I am the mother of the family. I do all the work of the family. Who am I? Yes, you are right. Who am I? That is the work of the family is done by mother. So mother, here it is verb. You know, verb is action word. Any work is done, that is verb. So doing, having, being, all these are verbs. So mother of the family, she is verb, and she is the only worker, that is homemaker of the family. Next come to who am I? I am the younger sister of the family. I like my mother and keep praising her. Who am I? Yes, you are right. She is adverb, because adverb always praises her mother. That is, adverb does the work of her mother. That is, mother is qualified, mother is attributed. When something is added to verb, adverb is there. So adverb praises her mother, that is verb. Next come to who am I? I take care of father and son. I establish their relation. Who am I? Yes, you are correct. He is the chief servant of the family, because father and son, they are taken care of by this servant, that is the chief servant of the family. The chief servant of the family is preposition. Preposition always establishes, preposition always shows the relation between noun and pronoun with other words in a sentence. So showing relation is done by preposition. Next come to who am I? I look after all the family members. I join them all. Who am I? Yes, you are correct. He is conjunction. He is not the chief servant. He takes care of the other family members, and he is only the servant, that is conjunction. You know, conjunction joins every word in a sentence. So joining work is done by conjunction. Next come to who am I? I support all the family members in their joy and sorrow. Who am I? You are correct. He is the third servant of the family. When the family is happy, when the family is sorry, when there is sorrow or happiness in the family, this servant, this member will join the family, and he is none but interjection. You know, interjection shows our strong emotion, sudden feeling, and this work is done by this particular person, that is third servant interjection. In this way, we have come to know there are 8 members in the family, grammar family. And who are they? I have told you. What are their names? Come here. I will be showing you in the board. Come here. On the board I have written noun. That is father, noun. It is the father. So I will write here father. And father is noun, because you know name, any name. After this I have written here P means pronoun. So I will write here son. Son, he is none but pronoun. Pronoun. After this I have written here adjective. A I have told you, A it is sister, so I will write here sister. Sister, and it is adjective. Adjective qualifies noun or pronoun. Noun and pronoun, they are qualified by adjective. After this I have told you mother, that is verb. Mother, it is mother and it is verb. After this I have written A. Again A. A means adverb. Adverb, that is adverb another sister. So we will write here sister. After this preposition, conjunction, interjection. Who are they? P is here preposition or servant. I have told you servant. Preposition. After this conjunction, C conjunction. C also, it is also a servant, conjunction. After this I, it is interjection. Okay, all these are the 8 parts of speech I have told you. It is written here. So number 1, 2, 3 up to this 8 parts of speech we have discussed today. Now I will show you, I will discuss again, explain you in a sentence. Look at the sentence, then you will understand how the family members, they are making a big family, that is a larger family, 8 parts of speech. Look at them. First of all, I have written Bravo, 2 boys, Mintu and Pintu, played well with me. Whenever we are happy, we have won any match, we are overjoyed, then we say, Bravo, you have done well. So Bravo, I am telling you, Bravo, 2 boys, Mintu and Pintu, played well with me. So I am very happy. To show my happiness, I have used Bravo. Another word after these 2 boys, Mintu and Pintu. So boys, it is common name of any boy. And who are the boys here? Mintu and Pintu. So they are noun. I can write here noun. I have written here Mintu and Pintu, they are noun. I will show you in this way, they are noun. Okay, 3 nouns are here. After this I have told you pronoun, that is son. Who is here? Here I have written me. Look at this one, it is pronoun. Pronoun. After noun and pronoun, we will come to know adjective. Adjective, 2 boys. How many boys? 2 boys. So here to it is adjective. Done. After noun, pronoun and adjective, I will go to mother, that is verb. Look here, it is written verb. Mother does the work of the family members, that is the homemaker. I have told you mother is doing the work, so mother is here plate. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb. Then we will go to adverb. Where is the adverb? Here well. It is only adding something to the meaning of the verb played. How did they play? Well. So it is adverb. Done. After this adverb, I have come to know another word, that is this with. It is showing relation of me, that is pronoun, showing the relation of pronoun with other words. Played with, that is with Pintu and Mintu. Okay, so Pintu and Mintu. I have come to know this particular word, it is preposition. This servant is joining, this servant is showing the relation of pronoun and noun in the sentence. In this way, this is a servant preposition. After this, there is another word, conjunction. And it is only joining Mintu and Pintu. That is, two nouns are joined. So I have to write here conjunction. Okay, conjunction. After this, there is another word we have come to know. The word is bravo. We are expressing, that is, I am expressing my joy, bravo. So it is only interjection. Interjection. So again I will count how many members are there in this sentence. Look at the sentence. Noun 1, I have told you pronoun 2, noun pronoun adjective number 3, number 4 it is verb, number 5 it is adverb. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb. Then 3 sons, that is preposition 6, 7 conjunction and 8 interjection. In this way, we will remember this sentence, so that we can remember these 8 kinds of parts of speech. And remember this, who am I? The first question I have asked you. Here I am Goutam, that is the noun, head of the family, and I am only talking with you. Whenever you are listening to me, whenever you are attending my class, remember to subscribe my channel and remember to press the bell button where you will get the notification, so that you can avail all the classes I will be attending. I will be arranging several classes, so that you can learn more all about this grammar, all about these 8 parts of speech. At the same time, you will learn spoken English. If you want to learn fluent English, then join the class. How to join? That is, remember to only subscribe my channel and share with your friends, so that you can enjoy the class. That is, whenever you are sharing your joy, you are only increasing your joy. Thank you all.